Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you Best Bagged Vacuums Cleaner 2024. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The INSE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and lightweight cleaning solution with a powerful 2.0 kPa suction, perfect for hard floors, carpets, hair, and car interiors. Equipped with a 2200 mAh rechargeable battery, it delivers up to 40 minutes of cleaning time, while its bagless, cyclone dust filtration system ensures efficient dirt collection in its 1-2L dust box. The multifunctional combined brush, motorized roller head, and long crevice tool make it ideal for tackling dust and debris in tight spaces. Easy to maneuver with its cordless design, this vacuum is a reliable, hassle-free option for everyday cleaning tasks. The DayPlus Industrial Vacuum Cleaner Hoover is a powerhouse of efficiency with its 4800W motor and 1.6 kPa suction, making it perfect for handling tough cleanup tasks in both wet and dry conditions. With a 15-liter capacity and versatile functionality, it can easily tackle debris, water, and dust across various surfaces like carpets, hard floors, and even workshops. Its 3-in-1 design, dry vacuuming, wet vacuuming, and blowing, offers ultimate flexibility, while the ultra-durable caster wheels ensure smooth movement. Equipped with a 200 cm power cord and a range of accessories, it's ideal for home, office, and industrial use. Plus, with a lifetime warranty and money-back guarantee, this vacuum promises unbeatable value and reliability.
The eHood Access 02 electric mobility scooter is the ideal solution for adults, elderly, and disabled individuals seeking a reliable, comfortable, and convenient mobility aid. With a 250W motor and a 24V12Ah removable battery, this foldable 4-wheel scooter offers a top speed of 6 to 8 km per hour and a range of up to 25 km, making it perfect for daily outdoor use. Its 8-inch solid tires ensure smooth rides, while the electronic brake system guarantees safety. Supporting a maximum load of 200 kilograms, the S02 is durable and robust, featuring a compact design that's easy to fold and store. CE certified, it's a practical choice for anyone seeking independence and mobility.